Good morning, students. It's day 4 of your class, and today we are going to start trends in modern periodic table. We have 5 trends in modern periodic table. First is valency and valence electrons. Second, atomic size. Third, metallic and non-metallic properties. Fourth, chemical reactivity. Fifth, nature of oxides. But in today's class, we are just going to cover valency and valence electrons and atomic size. First, valency and valence electrons. The number of valence electrons present in the outermost shell is called its valency. Valence electrons means the outermost electrons. The outermost shell has electrons are called valence electrons. When we move along a period, the number of valence electrons increases from 1 to 8. When we move in a period left to right, we can see atomic number is also increases and valence electrons also increases. But the number of shells remains same. On moving left to right in a period, valency first increases from 1 to 4 and then decreases to 0. Here we have an example of period second. We have elements lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. See, these elements have their atomic numbers and these atomic numbers keep on increasing on moving left to right in a period. And you can see their valence electrons also keep on increasing but the number of shells remains same. You can see that in the electronic configuration row, the valence electrons keep on increasing but the valency keep on decreasing. After number 4, you can see valency is decreasing from nitrogen to neon. Means to complete its shell, nitrogen needs 3 electrons, oxygen needs 2 electrons, fluorine needs 1 electron and neon does not need any electron to complete its outermost shell to attain stability. So that's why we can say valency keep on decreasing after number 4. 1 to 4 increases but after number 4 it keeps on decreasing. When we move down the group, the number of valence electrons and valency remain same, but the number of shells increases from top to bottom. We have a group 1A, that is alkali metal group, and we have elements hydrogen, lithium, sodium and potassium. We can see valence electrons and in electronic configuration column, the outermost shell has same electrons, but the number of shells keeps on increasing when we move top to bottom in a group. Next we have atomic size. It refers to the radius of an atom, or we can say it is the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost shell of an isolated atom. It is a distance between the center of nucleus and the outermost shell of an isolated atom is called atomic size. When we move left to right in a period, the atomic size of the elements decreases but the nuclear charge, or we can say the number of protons, increases. When we move in a period left to right, see, we have an example of period number 2 again. We can see here the atomic number keep on increasing, or we can say number of protons increases on moving left to right, but the atomic size decreases. Atomic number is equal to the number of proton. We have already studied about this in chapter in class 9. Atomic number is equal to the number of protons. Atomic size decreases, but because nuclear charge increases. When we move down the group, the number of shells increases from top to bottom, and the distance between nucleus and shells also increases. Again, we have example of group 1A. We can see that the number of shells keep on increasing and the distance between nucleus and shells also increases, and that's why the atomic size of element also increases. Here you have a homework. You have to solve these two questions and read this chapter, page number 88 and 89 of your Science NCERT book for your better understanding. Thank you.